Dear students, welcome to you all. Today in this video, I will discuss about the solution of exercise 3.1 from the chapter matrices. Dear students, we had already discussed equality of matrices. Two matrices A equal to Aij of order m by n and B equal to Bij of order r by p are said to be equal if they are of order same, that is m is equal to r and n is equal to p. And second condition, each element of A is equal to the corresponding elements of B, that is Aij is equal to Bij for all I and j. Here taking one example related to equality of matrices. Consider a matrix A having elements 1, 5, x minus y, x plus y, and matrix B having elements z minus w, z to 12. Find the values of x, y, z and w if A and B are equal. For solution, here matrix A and matrix B having same order, that is 2 by 2. So, A and B are equal, then their corresponding elements must be same. Therefore, comparing the elements of A and B, we get 1 is equal to z minus w. Number 1 equation. Number 2, z is equal to 5. Number 3, x minus y is equal to 2. And number 4, x plus y is equal to 12. Solving 1 and 2, we get z is equal to 5 and w is equal to 4. Similarly, solving 3 and 4, we get x is equal to 7. Putting the value of x in equation 4, we get y is equal to 5. Hence, x is equal to 7, y is equal to 5, z is equal to 5 and w is equal to 4. Now, we will discuss about the solution of questions from exercise 3.1. Question number 1, in the matrix A having elements 2, 5, 19, minus 7, 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1, minus 5, 17. Write the order of the matrix. Second, the number of elements. Third, write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24 and A23. First, the order of the matrix A is 3 by 4 because it has 3 rows and 4 columns. So, order of this matrix A is 3 by 4. The number of elements is equal to m into n, that is 3 into 4 equal to 12. Here the elements 1, 3 equal to 19 means the elements at first row and third column, that is 19. A21, the elements at the place second row and first column, that is equal to 35. Similarly, A33 equal to minus 5, A24 is equal to 12, A23 is equal to 5 by 2. Question number 3, if a matrix has 18 elements, What are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 5 elements? For solution, dear students, to find all possible orders of a matrix with 18 elements, we have to find all ordered pairs of natural numbers whose product is 18. Such ordered pairs are 1, 18, 2, 9, 3, 6, 6, 3, 9, 2, 18, 1. Hence, possible orders are 1 by 18, 2 by 9, 3 by 6, 6 by 3, 9 by 2 and 18 by 1. For a matrix with 5 elements, possible ordered pairs are 1, 5 and 5, 1. Hence, possible orders are 1 by 5 and 5 by 1. Question number 5. Construct a 3 by 4 order matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3i plus j. Second, Aij equal to 2i minus j. For solution, the required matrix be A, we suppose here, and having elements A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. First part here, given Aij equal to 1 by 2 into mod of minus 3i plus j. So, we find all the elements of matrix A, A11 equal to 1 by 2 into mod of here minus 3i, I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. So, minus 3 into 1, you will get minus 3 plus 1 and finally we get 1. Similarly, 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2, similarly element 1 A12 equal to 1 by 2, element A13 equal to 0, element A14 this is equal to 1 by 2, element A21 this is equal to 5 by 2, A22 2, A23 equal to 3 by 2, A24 equal to 1, A31 equal to 4, A32 equal to 7 by 2, A33 equal to 3, A34 equal to 5 by 2. So, matrix A equal to having elements 1, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, 1, 4, 7 by 2, 3, 5 by 2. Now, we discuss second part. Given Aij equal to 2i minus j. So, elements A11 equal to 2i means here I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. So, 2 into 1 equal to 2, 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Similarly, elements A12 equal to 0, A13 equal to minus 3, A14 equal to minus 2, A21 equal to 3, A22 equal to 2, A23 equal to 1, A24 equal to 0, A31 5, A32 4, A33 equal to 3, A34 equal to 2. So, matrix A equal to having elements 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 1, 0, 5, 4, 3 and 2. And order of this matrix is 3 by 4. Question number 10. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 and 0 or 1 is, there are 4 options: A 27, B 18, C 81, D 512. For solution, since number of elements of 3 by 3 matrix equal to 9, 3 into 3 equal to 9. Since each entry is 0 or 1, it is already given in the question. So, the number of way to write 0 or 1 at one place, there are 9 places. So, at one place there are 2 possibilities, 0 or 1. So, the number of ways to write 0 or 1 at 9 places, that is equal to 2 to power 9, and the value of 2 to the power 9 equal to 512. So, there are 512 possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with entries 0 or 1. So, the correct option is D, 512. Thank you.